In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit all WooCommerce product prices. Whether you're managing a large online store or just need to adjust prices quickly across multiple products, this process will save you a ton of time. Instead of manually changing prices one by one, I'm going to walk you through a fast and efficient way to make updates in bulk, all directly from your WordPress dashboard. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident managing your product pricing with ease. So let's dive straight into it. First, the very first thing you'll need to do is log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your online store, and it's where we'll carry out all the price adjustments today. Once you've logged in, look over on the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see a menu with various options. From there, hover your mouse over the Products section. A submenu will appear, and you'll need to click on All Products. This will take you to a page that lists every product currently in your WooCommerce store. Now that you're on the product list page, it's time to select the products you want to edit. To do this, you'll notice checkboxes on the left-hand side of each product name. Simply click on the checkboxes for the products you want to update. If you want to edit every product listed on the current page, there's a quick way to do that. Just click the checkbox at the very top of the column and it will automatically select all visible products on that page. It's important to double-check your selection at this stage to ensure you've chosen the correct products. A quick review here will save you any headaches later on. Once you're satisfied with your selection, look just above the product list. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Bulk Actions. Click on that drop-down, and from the options that appear, choose Edit. After selecting Edit, move over to the right and click the Apply button. This will take you into the Bulk Editor interface, where all the magic happens. Inside the Bulk Editor, focus on the Product Data section. This is where you can make changes to a variety of product settings, but since we're working on prices, that's where we'll direct our attention. Locate the price field and its associated drop-down menu. Here you have a couple of options. If you want to completely set a new price for all the selected products, choose Change To from the drop-down. On the other hand, if you're looking to adjust existing prices by a certain amount or percentage, say for a sale or price increase, select Increase Decrease. This gives you the flexibility to either raise or lower prices in bulk without starting from scratch. Next, enter the desired value for the price change. If you're setting a new price, type in the exact amount. If you're increasing or decreasing prices, you can enter a fixed value or a percentage, whatever suits your needs. Take a moment to double-check this value to avoid any mistakes. Once that's done, scroll down to the bottom left of the bulk editor and click the Update button. This will apply the changes to all the products you selected. Now, wait for the page to refresh and return to the product list. This might take a few seconds depending on how many products you're updating. Once the page reloads, it's a good idea to review the products you just updated. Make sure the price changes were applied correctly and that everything looks good. This final step ensures that no errors went unnoticed. And that's it. You've successfully bulk edited your WooCommerce product prices. This process is a huge time saver and makes managing your store much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.